Hello, SOL and SORP scholars. This is Magister Beck. Magister Cole and myself, for this week, week 26, I want you to do, well, let me see, week 25, we want you guys to make a circuit. And a circuit for you and your family to do. And also for the SOL scholars, we did hockey. But let me see, what did we do last week? With the SOR scholars, I did Tabata training. So for SOL and SOR this week, week 26, you guys can try maybe some Tabata training. So what it is where you do an activity for 20 seconds and you rest for 10. And you do that 8 times. So it adds up to be 4 minutes. So let's say you do push-ups. You do push-ups for 20 seconds and then you rest for 10. Then you do push-ups for 20 seconds, rest for 10, and you keep on doing it for 4 minutes, which is 8 intervals or 8 times. And then you can rest for a minute and then maybe do body weight squats. So maybe choose like 4 or 5 different exercises. I think with the scholars last week we did body weight squats, push-ups, something for your back. Like I really like that if you have an old towel or shirt and you pull it apart and you lay on your belly and pull it to your chin and squeeze your scapulas and then come all the way back up. We did that for the back, and then we did something for the stomach or core, where you can hold a plank or do sit-ups for 20 seconds and then rest for 10, sit-ups for 20, rest for 10, and so on until you hit 4 minutes. Like I said, it's 8 intervals. So have some fun with it, guys. Maybe choose 4 different exercises. Maybe something that targets a different body part, so you get the legs, the back, the chest, the core, and yeah, do about 4 exercises. It'll take you 16 minutes from working out, maybe a minute in between each one to rest a little bit. But yeah, I'd like to hear what you guys are doing or what you guys came up with, and it'd be kind of cool to hear from you guys and if any of you guys actually did it. But I hope you guys have some fun with it, and until next time, guys, have a great rest of your day.